Hello students, I am Prem Prakash Shukla, your mathematics teacher. Today we are going to discuss about unitary method, how we can solve world problems using unitary method. And this topic is taken from chapter 13, ratio, proportion and unitary method. So how we can solve word problems using unitary methods? So first of all, the process is the value of single unit. The value of single unit is found first by division. So, in unitary method, the value of single, first we have to find the value of single unit which is found by using division. And after that the value of required numbers, the value of required numbers, the value of required numbers, required number of units is found by multiplication. So the process is, the value of single unit is found by using division and the value of required number of units is found by multiplication. So to understand this, let's see some examples. So example 1, if 8 boys consume 4 kg of rice, how much rice will 10 boys consume? So our question is, if 8 boys consume 4 kg of rice, then how much rice will 10 boys consume? So our process is, the value of single unit is found by division. So by division, find the quantity of rice consumed by one boy. So first of all, we have to find the quantity of rice consumed by one boy. That is, if 8 boys consume rice equals to 4 kg. So therefore, one boy consume rice, that is 4 by 8 kg. Means we have to use division. Find the value of single unit, we have to use division. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, means half kg of rice. Means one boy consumes half kg of rice. Now next process is the value of required number of unit. Required number of unit is 10 here. So 10 boys, how much rice will 10 boy consume? What is the quantity of rice 10 boy will consume? So 10 boy 10 boys consume rice equals to 1 by 2 into 10 kg. So the value of required number of units is found by multiplication. So we have done multiplication. Now 2 1 2, 2 5 10. So that is 5 kg. Means 10 boy consumes 5 kg of rice. So in this way we can solve word problem by using unitary method. What you have to do? The value of single unit is found by division. The value of single unit is found by division. Then the value of required number of units is found by multiplication. Now take another example. Let's see another example. Let's see another example. Example number 3. If 18 meter of cloth cost rupees 360, how much will 12 meter of cloth cost? So this is our question, that 18 meter of cloth costs rupees 360 and we have to find 12 meter of cloth, the cost of 12 meter of cloth. So the same process will be applied here. So first of all we have to find the value of single unit by using division, that is solution. Cost 18 meter of cloth cost equals to rupees 360. 18 meter of cloth costs rupees 360. Therefore we have to find the value of single unit, that is 1 meter. 1 meter of cloth cost equals to rupees 360 divided by 18. So by division we can find the value of single unit. So 18 1 are 18, 18 2 are 36. That is rupees 20. So 1 meter of cloth costs rupees 20. Now what we have to do? Now the value of required number of units. Required number of units is 12 meter. Now we have to find the cost of 12 meter. So 12 meter of cloth costs equals to rupees 20 into 12 equals to rupees 240. So the required number of units is found by multiplication, means multiplied. So required number of units is multiplied by the answer, that is 20 into 12 equals to 240. That means the cost of 12 meter cloth is 240 rupees. So in this way, by using unitary method, we can easily find the value of single unit and required number of units. So what we have to do? We have to find first value of single unit by using division. Then we have to find the value of required number of units by doing multiplication. So the process is same here. सबसे पहले हम सिंगल यूनिट का वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे डिवाइड करके, और उसके बाद हम रिक्वायर्ड नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स का वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके. सो डिवीजन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन से हम सिंगल यूनिट का वैल्यू पता लगाएंगे और मल्टीप्लिकेशन से हम रिक्वायर्ड नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स का आंसर फाइंड करेंगे. सो इन दिस वे we can use unitary method to solve word problems. Thank you very much.